For a mid-range PC build, we suggest the Intel Core i5-13600K, which is an excellent processor. Right now, this build is arguably the best bang for your buck in terms of performance. Let's see the PC parts we suggest for this build. CPU, Intel Core i5-13600K. CPU cooler, Deepcool AK400 CPU cooler. Motherboard, MSI Meg B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. RAM, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB DDR3600. Storage, Team Group MP333 1TB SSD. Video card, ASRock Radeon RX 6700 XT. PC case, Fantex Eclipse P3000A mesh case. Power supply, Corsair RM750X 2021 power supply. The main highlight of this build is the newly released Intel Core i5-13600K. This is a beast of a processor, as it has 14 cores, 20 threads, and a boost clock of up to 5.1 GHz. In terms of performance, it's on par with last generation's Core i9-12900K and easily beats or matches the newer Ryzen 7 7600X in games. A stellar value all around. When it comes to mid-range processors, this is the value king right now. You would be hard-pressed to find something that performs better at this price. It's also quite good in terms of productivity performance, thanks to the 14 cores. Now the Intel Core i5-13600K, unfortunately, does not come with a stock cooler. To keep this chip cool, we've paired it with the Deepcool AK400 CPU cooler. This is a high-quality air cooler that offers excellent cooling performance and is easy to install. The cooler comes with a 120mm fan that runs quietly and is also quite affordable. For the motherboard, we've gone with the MSI Meg B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. This is a solid motherboard that offers a great feature set for the price. It supports DDR4 memory up to 64GB and has two M2 slots for NVMe SSDs, making it one of the best budget motherboards out there. The board also features Wi-Fi 6, which is a must-have these days. Now for storage, we've gone with the Team Group MP333 1TB SSD. This is a high-performance NVMe SSD that offers fast read and write speeds, making it a great option for both gaming and productivity. The SSD also has a large capacity, which makes it a great option for those who want to store all their games on one drive. Memory-wise, we recommend the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB DDR4 3600. This is a high-performance memory kit that offers fast speeds and tight timing. It overclocks well and also features RGB lighting that will add some flair to your rig. As for the graphics card, we've gone with the ASRock Radeon RX 6700 XT. This is a powerful video card that is based on RDNA 2 architecture and features 12GB of GDDR6 memory. The card is capable of delivering great performance at 1440p, making it a great option for those who want to play the latest games at high settings. Right now, it's cheaper than the RTX 3060 Ti, and unless you care much about ray tracing, it is obviously the better option. AMD's FSR technology is also improving, so expect decent performance for upcoming titles as well. For the PC case, we've gone with the Fantex Eclipse P3000A mesh case. This is a stylish case that features a mesh front panel that allows for great airflow, making it a great option for our power-hungry components. Finally, for the power supply, we've gone with the Corsair RM750X 2021 power supply. This is a high-quality power supply that offers 80+ gold certification. It is fully modular, silent, and rated A on the LTT-PSU tier list. In summary, this Intel build is a high-performance option that packs a punch. It features a powerful Intel Core i5-13600K processor, a high-quality air cooler, a solid motherboard, fast memory, a high-performance NVMe SSD, a powerful video card, a stylish case, and a high-quality power supply. Expect excellent performance at 1440p for years to come. The estimated price for this build is $1,300. So what do you think? Tell us what you would like to change. Check another video where we suggest the best Intel PC builds and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.